Today we'll be playing I'm the Biggest Bird Freefall. Yeah, don't mind what the picture looks like, but yeah, dirt ox. Okay, let's get into it. Can I get a challenge, chirp? 35. I have 35 coins. Ooh. Oh, I think I have to respawn. Probably. Without further ado, let's get into it. I'll go for the. I'm really good with those. Thunder, I like. Oh, the combat I love. Oh, guys. Yeah, not a lot of people play this. I don't know why. They both got killed. I'm really good. It's because, guys, the reason why I'm pretty rusty is because I used to have a stretch rest, which I would use. It might seem the same because it is the same, but yeah, yeah. Okay, don't know. I'm the biggest. And guys, I had it when I had the stretch rest when I was not uploading. Let's go. And by the way, I've heard from my viewer that they have been learning a lot about this, about how I play, and they've improved. My friend, and he said it's my number one. You might know him. I always play with him. Oh, that guy just no scope to me. Okay. Now guys, after this I'm gonna get the huntable sniper. Yeah, and just look at my crazy sniper. This is what I need. I'm too good with this. Huntable action. Ooh, wait. 57? Oh my dick. I thought I could no scope that. Guys, did you just see that? He literally faced my wall. No offense. There's not as much people in this. It's my wall. Why would he be in my box? Oh, what? Did you guys just see that? I literally reset it. Wait, sorry. Oh! If he moved from the floor. Are you serious right now, dude? That's sorry, not that much. I'm gonna buy you my gun. What the? Oh my, why? Why that messed up? Bro, this is G-Force actually being annoying. spraying me. Guys, look at this. Oh my, the Spider-Man is not. Miles Morales, nice. My days. 69? That's a very funny number. Are you serious right now? Yeah, it looks like I'm just... I mean, plus I was just using my... Yeah, I'm changing my shotgun. And guys, sorry for the background, it's just my brother playing this. 185 solo. He's literally one time. I swear if I lose, I'm gonna get so much hate. I swear, I swear. Exactly. You guys were about to say, no, no way. Oh my. It's always this stupid default. Oh my days. No. You see that, guys. Did she see that? She thought she's spraying like so hard. Not even funny no more. Nah, guys. Just watch. Just watch. Oh my! No. You guys saw that. You guys saw that. No. If you could, guys, I would really appreciate if you guys could like and subscribe the video and leave a comment on this video. No! Oh my god. Nah, I'm actually bothered with that. Bro, no, everyone's just doing this. Oh yeah. One of them was open that time. Bro! Nah, guys, now I know what they're doing. They're teaming up on me. See, none of them's gonna die. None of them. Until I come, they third party me. Oh my. Nah, guys, I'm not. Watch this night. Right foot, creep, 160. Spray! Spray! Oh my! Guys, you guys are seeing this right now. That literally double team. See, they're not even fighting. They're just waiting for them. Do you guys see that? Oh my. How am I supposed to win if they're teaming on me? See, they're missing on purpose. What the? I swear I'm gonna get my anger issues in. Went in my inventory for some reason. Oh my! This game's so annoying, full of cheaters because I'm literally winning. Bro, this default skin is... Are you guys seeing that? God. Can they stop teaming? My day! Someone please help me! Dead! No way! That's so bad. That's so bad. Oh my, I'm actually too good. Oh my! They're still doing it. They are still doing it. Oh my baby. Oh my. You see that, guys? The Spider-Man's actually bad. Just ran. No! No! Guys, that would have been a crazy clip. This game's bro. These people who just team is so bad. What am I saying about it? Stole his kill. That bro, God, it's so annoying. I swear if they keep on doing this, I'm actually gonna leave. Guys! They're away from each other and that Spider-Man's trying to snipe me. No, the Spider-Man's always interfering with the guys. So is the Steve one, guys. See, guys? See? Dead? Huh? Dead. Easy, too good. Too good. Oh my! So annoying! After one more fast, but if they keep on me, I swear, I'm gonna end the video. Oh my. No. No. I'm actually so good. If I die to Sam Tyler, it's actually gonna be. Oh my! Now, if I die once, that's where I'm ending the video. Okay guys, so this will be the end of the video, so hopefully I'll see you in the next one.